Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your premium license and updating the Teams app. This unlocks the advanced controls you need. Once done, sign in with your work or school account and enable two-factor authentication if your org requires it. Next, open Settings and switch on experimental AI features so the premium modules appear. You do this early because those toggles expose the meeting templates, intelligent recap, and policy options you'll configure next, so make sure each prerequisite is active before moving forward. Now you configure the core premium features so meetings behave predictably. Start by creating a meeting template. Choose lobby behavior, presenter roles, and whether recordings autosave to OneDrive. This standardizes meetings for everyone. Then enable intelligent recap, turn on transcripts, highlights, action items, and pick a summary length so a quick digest is generated after meetings. Finally, lock down protection. Enable watermarking, tenant restrictions, and advanced encryption where required, because controlling access and traceability prevents data leaks and simplifies compliance. Finish by validating everything in a short test meeting. Invite a colleague and confirm transcript generation, recap accuracy, recordings, and presenter roles. Once validated, enforce templates and policies from the admin center so settings apply across your organization. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by verifying the assigned license, the team's client version, and any tenant-level policy conflicts that might override premium features. If the issue persists, recreate the meeting template and retest, because templates and policies are the usual culprits when features don't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.